Hello travelers, we are happy to be back with another video that will help to plan your next trip. So welcome to our channel where we explore everything about tourism, well-being, and incredible destinations. Have you ever thought about going on a cruise but are still unsure? Maybe is it because you had not enough information? In this video we will show you all the advantages of choosing a cruise for your next vacation, and provide essential tips to make the most of this experience, shall we? A cruise trip is a delightful experience that combines adventure, comfort, and relaxation at sea. One of the advantages of taking a cruise is the multiple destinations in one trip. Imagine waking up in a new destination every day without needing to pack and unpack. Cruises offer the convenience of visiting several places in a single trip. Have you ever thought about the convenience of being on board and having everything at your disposal? Comfortable accommodations, delicious meals, varied entertainment, and much more, all without worrying about logistics. Cruises have activities and entertainment for everyone. Shows, pools, spas, gyms, casinos, and even special programs for children and teenagers. It's impossible to get bored. In addition to shore excursions, snorkeling, and even local cultural and gastronomic experiences, with stunning views of the ocean horizon and the opportunity to meet people from different backgrounds, a cruise trip becomes an unforgettable journey, filled with lifelong memories. Let's not forget to bring you some interesting curiosities. Here's the first one. The largest cruise ship in operation is the Wonder of the Seas from Royal Caribbean, which can accommodate over 6,000 passengers and 2,300 crew members. It's so big that it has different themed neighborhoods on board. Many people choose cruises to celebrate important milestones such as weddings, anniversaries, and even vow renewals, with special packages offered by the companies. The price of a cruise usually includes accommodation, meals, and entertainment, making it quite economical, especially when compared to a traditional trip. The diversity of ship routes around the world is truly surprising. Need a suggestion of where to go? Let us help you with the most sought-after destinations. The Caribbean and tropical islands region is one of the main cruise destinations, offering crystal clear waters, white sandy beaches, and vibrant culture for travelers to explore. With various islands to visit, from historic cities to untouched natural reserves, a Caribbean cruise provides a paradisiacal and exciting experience. Onboard activities such as theme parties and water sports complement this unique journey. The Mediterranean and Europe are equally coveted cruise destinations, presenting an unparalleled mix of history, culture, and natural beauty. Travelers have the opportunity to explore iconic destinations like Athens, Rome, Barcelona, Venice, and picturesque Greek and Croatian islands. Cruises offer land tours to visit historic sites, taste local culinary delights, and appreciate breathtaking landscapes, providing a culturally enriching experience. For nature lovers and those seeking impressive landscapes, Alaska and Canada cruises are an unmissable choice. In this region, cruises navigate through majestic fjords and lush forests. Whale watching and encounters with bears, moose, and golden eagles offer thrilling wildlife experiences. Additionally, stops in charming coastal towns allow passengers to explore the culture and history of local communities. Adventure and nature contemplation are guaranteed on an Alaska and Canada cruise. Central America is a vibrant destination for cruises, offering a fascinating blend of cultures, stunning landscapes, and exciting adventures. Cruises in this region take travelers to explore a variety of countries such as Mexico, Belize, Honduras, Costa Rica, and Panama, each with its own personality and unique attractions. From ancient Mayan archaeological sites to tropical rainforests, white sandy beaches, and coral reefs, Central America is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. The rich cultural traditions, captivating music, and flavorful cuisine also make this region an authentic and enriching experience for travelers seeking a cruise full of diversity. The Galapagos Islands are a true paradise for nature and wildlife lovers. Located in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Ecuador, the Galapagos are famous for their rich biodiversity. Galapagos cruises offer the opportunity to get up close to a unique variety of species, including giant tortoises, marine iguanas, sea lions, and exotic birds. With impressive volcanic landscapes and crystal clear waters, the Galapagos offer a truly unforgettable and enriching cruise experience. Ready for the second curiosity about cruises? There are themed cruises for all tastes, from music cruises like rock and jazz, to wellness gastronomy, and even popular TV shows and movies. Tips for your trip to be a success. Plan in advance. Book well in advance to secure the best cabins and prices. Remember to check your passport's validity, and if any of the destinations require a visa, choose your cabin carefully. Do you prefer a cabin with a balcony or an interior one? Choose the one that best suits your profile and budget. Central cabins on the middle decks are usually more stable. If you have difficulty walking, make sure to choose a suite near the areas you will frequent most. If traveling with family, consider the facilities that would be most convenient for you. Remember, the cabin will be your home during the trip, so think about what's important to you. For longer itineraries or those who want to spend more time in their accommodation, consider larger rooms with a dining table and balcony. Interior cabins in general are more claustrophobic and not recommended for first-time cruisers. Calculate onboard expenses. Cruises may seem more expensive when you start researching, but many onboard items are already included in the package, such as up to 5 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, afternoon tea, dinner, and supper. It is forbidden to consume food and beverages bought outside the ship on board. Always calculate the total cost of the cruise when making comparisons. Cheaper prices can be misleading and rarely represent the best value. Therefore, also consider all-inclusive options to better manage additional costs, such as drinks. Luxury cruise lines like Oceania, Azamara, Silversea, and Regent Seven Seas often offer more comprehensive packages. Pack wisely. Bring appropriate clothing for the cruise's climate and activities. It's crucial to know the profile of the ship you're boarding before deciding what to pack. Some cruises are informal, while others are more formal. As it's prohibited to wear swimsuits in restaurants and corridors, it's also essential to wear cover-ups or t-shirts and sandals. For the evening, casual chic attire is recommended. Always have a light jacket on hand, even in summer, as the air conditioning in indoor areas is strong. Additionally, pack a change of clothes, swimwear, and toiletries in your carry-on luggage. This way, when you board, you won't have to wait for your suitcase to arrive at the cabin, which can take some time, to go to the pool and explore the ship. It is also recommended to carry valuable items such as cameras, documents, jewelry, and medications in your carry-on. Enjoy the onboard activities. Explore the ship on the first day to discover all the entertainment options. Shows, restaurants, classes, there are many fun things to do. Protect yourself from seasickness in the sun. If you are prone to seasickness, bring appropriate medications. And of course, don't forget sunscreen, hats, and light clothing to protect yourself from the sun. Don't forget the documents. Valid passport, visas, boarding passes, and if necessary, the international vaccination certificate. Also, bring travel insurance policies and copies of all important documents. Children under 11 can present a birth certificate. Minors traveling with only one parent must present a notarized authorization from the parent who is not traveling. Embarkation time. Land check-in usually closes an hour and a half before the ship's departure. It is advisable to carefully check the cruise start time and be at the terminal at least 3 hours before embarkation to avoid any issues. At check-in, you must present a credit card, if not already linked in the company's app. Some companies require it to be international. After that, you will receive an identification card, which will be your document on the ship, both for embarkation and disembarkation, as well as to enter your room and make purchases on board. Keep this card safe and present it when requested. Always be punctual regarding the ship's schedule, especially when returning to the ship after a stop on land. Ocean liners do not forgive delays. Even if people are still on board, they will leave. If the responsibility for the forgetfulness is the company that organized the tour, the tourist will be taken to the next port of call with all expenses paid, among other compensations. If the fault lies with the passenger, however, they will have to arrange the transfer and bear all costs alone. Disembarkation time. Preparations for disembarkation should begin the night before the ship arrives at the final port. When suitcases should be left outside the cabin, the luggage must be labeled with tags provided by the staff during reception or throughout the cruise. The colors represent the disembarkation order of a group of people. Remember to remove documents and other valuables from the suitcases that will be checked. Additionally, pack clothes and other personal items in your carry-on luggage for the last night of the cruise. When it's time to leave the ship, go to the meeting point, which the passenger will know through an information sheet. Retrieve your identification document retained at check-in, and wait for the order to disembark. Upon arrival at the warehouse where the luggage is delivered, the passenger must find their luggage themselves. After that, everyone is free to go. Here's the third curiosity. Did you know that cruise ships offer diverse cuisine? Many have specialty restaurants with cuisines from around the world, from fresh sushi to authentic French cuisine. And one thing is for sure, in a cruise you are sure to find the food that is the best for your taste bud. So, are you excited to go on a cruise? I am sure that if you follow these tips, your trip will be a success. We made sure to point out all the main important details that can help you with your trip. So now we have a request to make. If you liked the video and found the information helpful, don't forget to leave your comment, and subscribe to the channel, so you won't miss any content. We have added a few important information to the description, so do not forget to check it. You will definitely find it helpful. And we will see you in the next video, travelers.